Hey guys, it's Jordan here from opdex.com. Doing some trading towards the end of the day. Kind of missed this breakout here. It's been a pretty quiet day, honestly. You can look at the market over here. There weren't really a whole lot of great places to trade. But here we are now. We missed this kind of big drop off. We had a nice confirmation of the trend here in this region, and then you had a reversal of the trend, upswing, bullish, and then another reversal. And now we're just kind of looking here, looking for the confirmation of the trend, which it's kind of looking, it's a little bit unpredictable right now what's happening. It's not really sure which direction it wants to go. Again, here at the top I have my Euro US dollar M1 chart, so that's 60-second candlesticks forming. Here on the bottom I have the Opdex custom Opdex indicator. It's an M133 tick chart. So I'm going to zoom in here for a second. And what we're looking for is for confirmation of the trend. So I have here my 24Options account ready for me to trade. Going to make a $500 trade, but I'm not going to make the trade obviously until I have confirmation of the trend. And what do I mean again by confirmation of the trend? You're looking for the same production and the same development of candlesticks, both in the 133 tick chart and also in the M1 60-second candlestick chart. So right now it's kind of meandering a bit, kind of tapering off. I guess whatever selling pressure there was here, it's being met with equal buying pressure. Again, the whole strategy behind successful trading is being able to accurately predict which way an asset is going to move. And so if I were just to pick willy-nilly here, you know, a call for the Euro US dollar on a 60-second trading, it wouldn't really do much because it would just be a guess. I would have no indicator to tell me why it's moving in the direction that it's moving. And that's what we're looking for here. We're not going to make the trade until we have followed all the rules down to the T properly. Because the majority of the time when I do follow the rules like that, I win my trades. Let me just make sure here I wasn't on short-term 60-second trading. Euro US dollar. Okay, we may have confirmation of the trend here. But these are kind of smaller volatility here, smaller price fluctuation, but it's starting to look good. Okay, and I'm going to go for the trade. I'm going to do a call. Going to look at this again, may put in another order, possibly. Look for another order for another call. Yeah, I'm going to go for another one. And I may go for another one. So we have confirmation of the trend here, and as I talked about, this is perfect example of using this principle of confirmation of the trend. 3 bullish candlesticks forming here, 3 more bullish candlesticks forming here on the M1 chart. Perfect execution of this strategy. That's going to be $700 made profit right there. Put in another order. Look to put in another order. We're just going to keep putting these in until we see something change here. Beautiful trend here. And we could see a reversal of the trend afterwards. It looks like he's still pushing higher. Okay, so we won 3 out of our trades so far. It looks like we might have lost this last trade that we put in. But let's check out if we can do the reversal. You know, if I hadn't been busy explaining, I would have might have caught that last trade a little bit earlier. So we looks like we won 2 trades, tied another, lost 1. So let's do the math. That's 500 lost, 350, 700 gain. So $200 profit. But I like what's going on here in the market right now, so I'm going to continue trading. I'm going to watch this. Again, what we're looking for, confirmation of the trend. Also, another thing about this strategy is you don't have to continue trading. Once you've made your trades and you feel like you've made what you want to make for that day, I mean, it's always tricky because it's never enough. But eventually you learn to discipline yourself to walk away after you've made your money for that day. You had some sort of goal and you met it. So again, we made 4 trades. 2 of them should have really made earlier, but I didn't make early because I was trying to explain. It's kind of the downside of making these videos and trying to explain and trade at the same time, is you're not totally focused on what's going on. If I had been only trading, I would have gone in on those trades a lot faster. But had a return of $850 on 2 trades. We invested $500. That's $350 profit each one. $700. Had 1 trade at $500. It closed even, so we got our $500 back. and one trade of 500, which we lost. So a net profit of 700 minus 500, that's $200. And we're just going to watch this a little bit longer. Maybe something else will happen here. I guess in the meantime I'll explain again what happened. You had this nice breakout here, which was, you saw the confirmation in the 133 tick chart, as you saw in the 60-second candlestick formation chart, and the ticks were coming in really quite quickly, which showed that there were a lot of orders coming in. There was a lot of pressure, a lot of buying pressure there, and you just saw the price just rocket up. And that was a great example of the strategy. Not totally well executed on my side, because again I kind of was busy explaining things. But let's see if something else is going to happen here. Okay, I'm going to get the next order ready. Looks like may go for a call. Sometimes you can trade in this region where you have small volatility, but it's much riskier, and I don't recommend it. But oftentimes what you'll see is this kind of slow uptrend, and kind of a slow uptrend. But what you see here on the time chart is that there's this slow uptrend, but it's fluctuating over that 60-second period, and at the close of the 60-second period, in actuality, it may be a bullish candle or a bearish candle if it's going in the opposite direction. But within that 60-second time period, it could go bullish, it could go bearish. So what you're looking for in order to win the trade is you're looking for a confirmation that it's definitely going up and it's not going back down. And that's really what you're looking to capitalize on. So that's why I recommend trading on a high volatility when there's a lot of movement. This chart here, and in general, don't even really bother with these charts that the brokers offer you. They don't really show you anything or much. You always want to be working with candlestick charting. So I guess what I'll do here is I'll just pause the video, and I'll restart it again when something else is happening. Okay, so we're back here about a half hour later from when we had that original breakout in our trading, and I guess I just wanted to formally end the video here because it doesn't look like really anything is happening right now. So again, we had this bearish trend which we missed, the corresponding bullish trend afterwards, and then we began watching it more closely. Had a breakout here, caught that trend, made 4 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4. This trade here, this is from earlier in the morning. I was trading. Anyway, we won 2 of our trades. Again, tied our 3rd trade, lost our 4th trade. Probably, as I said, if I hadn't been explaining, probably would have caught those trades. But oh well, I thought this would be a nice educational video, anyways, to show you exactly what you're looking for. Again, just trying to make as many of these videos as possible to show what to look for. And again, the more experience you have with this trading strategy, the better you'll be at it. You don't have to be investing $500 every single time. You can be investing the minimum amount with whatever broker you're trading with. And that's it. So I hope this was an informative video and that you learned a lot from it. And please leave your comments here on the YouTube channel, or you can leave your comments also on our website, opdex.com. Lots of articles there about binary option trading, and also a whole bunch of videos in addition to this video, which are available for you to watch. Okay, Jordan here, opdex.com.